Hey guys, welcome to all of my new viewers and subscribers, and welcome back to all of my bomb ass subscriber squad. Y'all, today is a day, ooh girl, but anyway, we are unboxing our Slay Glam box today. This will not be a long video at all, guys. I am a little irritated about the shipping, which we will discuss later on in the video. Well, in a couple minutes, actually. So, guys, if you want to see what's inside of my Slay Glam box for this month, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you did today. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. I am TonyaNicole, and guys, today we're going to be unboxing this Slay Glam box. Now, Slay Glam came late this month, and y'all, I'm just so over the shipping and, you know, the boxes that come late in the month. I'm just over that. So for now on, if my boxes aren't here by the 20th, I'll give them even to the 22nd of the month. I won't unbox it, and I'm canceling the subscription. It makes no sense for me and my channel to unbox these boxes after everyone else has unboxed theirs, because then you guys have seen it already. You don't want to see this again, so they better get their act together or else I'm going to be done. Now, I love the company. I actually love the subscription, but I mean, they got to do better with the shipping. Really, they do. I mean, today is the 28th when this is going to go out. And I mean, that's too late. It's 2 days until September, or 3 days. However many days we have in, what month are we in? August. I will not keep you long. We're going to get right on into this unboxing. If you like this video, before you leave, go on and give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to me. I do have a giveaway that's going on, and my winners will be announced on Friday, guys. Yes, Friday. So make sure your notification bells are turned on for this video, because I'm picking 5 winners and we're going to do some mini giveaways. So I'm very excited for that. That's enough of the rambling. Let's get on into the unboxing. For you guys that do not know, Slay Glam Box is a $24 per month beauty subscription. You get 5 to 7 full-size beauty products, and it has a minimum value of $100. If you guys want to subscribe to this box, I will have my link down below in the description. All you have to do is press it and sign up. For you guys that haven't seen this unboxing before, this is what Slay Glam comes in, this cute little box like this. And it's taped up on both sides, but this month, this one came opened already, I guess to make it easier for me to unbox for you guys. Every month, Slay Glam comes with this card here that says Slay Glam Box on the top, and thanks for subscribing, along with her social media handles on the bottom. And on the back here is all of the items that we received with their retail prices. And you guys know that I will put it at the bottom of the screen, as well as do a grand total towards the end of the video. So make sure you stay tuned for that, guys. And without further ado, we're getting right into it now. So up first, I am seeing from Rasha B Cosmetics this matte liquid lipstick in the shade Bite Me, and this is what the outside packaging is looking like, guys. Also, she allowed us to pick this variation, and I did choose the shade Bite Me. And Rasha B is the owner of Slay Glam Box. So this is her cosmetics line. And this is what it looks like outside of the packaging. Very, very beautiful. And let's swatch it on the back of my hand. Okay, guys. And this is what the color looks like. A beautiful, beautiful red. And I'm going to put a little bit on. Let's see. And I didn't even line my lips. And this is how it is looking on my lips. It's a nice red orange lipstick. It dries down really quick. It's a matte lipstick, and it looks really good on my lips. And this, guys, is the Rasha B Cosmetics matte liquid lipstick in the shade Bite Me, and it retails for $22, guys. Up next, I am pulling out from Cella this eyeliner pen in the shade Purple. This is what the outside packaging is looking like, guys. And this is what it is looking like outside of the package. And I'm very glad that it's not a black color, that it is purple. Ooh, and it swatches out really nice. And this is what it looks like swatched out, a deep dark purple. Almost looks kind of black, but you can see the purple, tint in it. So there we go. That's that right there. And let's see what this retails for, guys. This is the Cella Liquid Eyeliner Pen in the shade Purple, and it retails for $21. My subscribers know I would never pay $21 for this, never. Moving right along, up next I am picking up from Garmanda, girls, what is this? It came in this little plastic here. Garmanda, girls? I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but that is what the outside packaging is looking like, guys. And it is a mascara, I'm going to assume. This is what the wand is looking like. It's a nice big wand. I actually like this type of wand. And it is black, I guess. So yeah. And this, guys, is the Garmanda Girls 3D, oh, it's a fiber lash mascara, and this retails for $23.99. Up next out of the box, we have this little thing that's wrapped up in bubble wrap. And this is how it's looking right here. It's from Manicador, and it is a blush in the shade Paradise. And this is what the color is looking like, guys. It's like a nice pinky blush. Let's swatch it. This is what it looks like on my fingertip here. It actually looks like it's more of a peachy tone. Let me see if I could build that up a little bit. Yeah, it's like a peachy pink tone. So that is that. I'm gonna use this Eco Glam brush here that I got from TJ Maxx and just add a little bit of this. Ooh, okay. It shows up very, all right, yeah. I like that. It's more of a summer shade, but it did show up on my skin pretty. Looks nice. And this is the Manicador blush in the shade Paradise, and this retails for $21. All right, $21 for this little bitty thing. I mean, I don't know about that either. I wouldn't pay $21 for this. And last but not least, in our box, we have this big, huge thing that's bubble wrapped. And let's open this up. And this is what was in the bubble wrap, guys. It is a Bubble Pop palette from Amore Us USA. And this is what the outside packaging is looking like. It is darling. So cute. It slides out like that. Ooh, it does come with a mirror. This is the palette, guys. And as you can see, this color right here crumbled out of the palette. So I'm not sure of what happened or what's going on with that, but this one is broken. But this is the rest of the palette. It is very pretty. You have some mattes, some glitters, and some shimmer shades. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this palette for you guys so that you can see. This is how they look on my fingertips, guys. This is just a few of them. And here they are swatched out right here, guys. This is a green shade here, and it's a blue one right here. And they go some shimmers and some glitters here. I mean, the swatches are not that good, but y'all know what I say. Doesn't matter how they swatch on your hand or your arm. It's when that brush hit that pan and it hit that eye, babe. And see how that works. So, I mean, this is a cute little palette. I'm sorry that mine came broken, but sometimes that's how it goes, guys. That was my last product in the box. I'm gonna do a quick recap, final thoughts, rate this box, and we're gonna be done. So guys, I received from Rasha B Cosmetics this liquid lipstick in the shade Bite Me. From Cella, this eyeliner here in the shade, I think it's purple here. From Garmanda Girls, this mascara here. From Manicador, this blush here. And from Amore Us, this Bubble Pop eyeshadow palette here. So 5 products for this month. Oh, I didn't even tell you guys, the palette retailed for $15, guys. So I will put that on the bottom. Sorry, I didn't tell you guys. I got kind of sidetracked, but it's $15 for this palette here. Final thoughts, guys, is I like the box this month. I'm not really thrilled about the products. I do like this lipstick here. It is a nice color. I thought it was actually darker on Instagram, but I still can wear this in the fall. This is really nice. And I am also looking very forward to using this palette here, guys. So these 2 products here are what I'm most excited about. I will test out this mascara and see how it works. The purple liner is pretty. It did go on nice and dried down matte. and this little blush is okay. For the most part, I will use most of the products. It's a good box this month. I'm just not happy with the shipping, guys. I'm really not. Do I think it's worth $24 this month? Maybe not. But do I think it's a bad box? No. I think it's a good box this month. I'm just not over the moon about it. So guys, if I had to rate it on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage to 5 being this box is like the bomb.com, I would give Slay Glam for this month a solid 3. I just want to, I don't know. I've just seen better boxes from this company in the past. My subscription, my 3-month subscription with them is up, I think, in October, I think. So if by next month, if I'm still not thrilled, this will be probably one that I cancel and try to find another subscription to replace it. But if the box is good next month, I may just keep it for 3 more months. So I'm not sure yet. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought of this month's Slay Glam. Do you think it's worth $24? Do you think that it's kind of, you know, slacking off on the products? Let me know your thoughts on this box, guys. Also, let me know your rating on this box. Yeah, so that's it. Don't forget about the giveaway. I'm doing a mini giveaway, 5 winners at the end of the month. Actually, on Friday, we're going to pick our winners. If you're not subscribed to me, please do so. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, guys. And I will have my social media links down below. I am most active on Instagram, so go ahead and follow me over there if you don't mind. And that is all that I have for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this content. I will see you guys on Friday. Until next time and next video, you guys be blessed. I love you all so much. Peace.